Hello pilots, and welcome to another edition of Sporty's Product Pirate Videos. My name is Doug, and today we're looking at the Flight Outfitters Crew Duffel Bag. This bag is often dubbed the body bag by the pilots here at Sporty's, and you can see why. It is massive, but there's a lot of things this thing can hold. Let's take a look. We have a lot of external organizer pockets on this bag. Each end has an organizer on it. And you'll notice on the inside we have some fun things here. There's some charging cables, I got a multi-tool, and there's lots of room for keys and other things inside these pockets. The front of the bag has a nice soft velvet lined pocket, and this allows you to store sunglasses and other things that might be a bit more delicate. The other side of the bag has two more pockets. You notice there's just tons of organization on this bag. On this side, I have the fun stuff when you get there to your destination. So there's a headlamp for night flying ops, as well as a deck of cards for those games of euchre that I love playing. The back side has yet another pocket for even more organization stuff. And you notice all around the bag here, we have a lot of durability built into it. There's huge handles on the ends, so it makes it easy to grab this bag and go when it's up in a overhead compartment or in your back luggage compartment. And the handles here go all the way down the side of the bag, as well as have a rivet at the top. So there's a lot of durability in this bag. Inside the main compartment is just a massive amount of space. I have a mount, a knee board, a headset, and another headset, both inside their massive cases. And I was only taking up about half the size of the interior compartment. You'll notice the back wall here has an organizer for your iPad, as well as your charging bricks. So everything can be kept here on the inside. The Flight Outfitters Crew Duffel Bag is the ultimate weekender bag with more than enough room for not only your flight gear, but also clothing to last you probably a week. You can find this bag online at sportys.com.